ballistics, they runners, man, tell us stop tweaking, I already fucked us. I don't feel bad, I know I know the dollar was serving the fiends, let the zany dissolve. If I got a problem, I'm making one call, while none of your niggas be sliding at all. I'm loving, I'm packing that heat, only get up with bitches when it's in the sheets. Run to the paper like I'm in the meat, baby, get on your knees, let me give you a treat. Too much of the walkie be having me sleep, but too much of the purse got me ready to freak. Grinding for months, I've been grinding for weeks. My uncle told me to just watch for the week, cause they like to sneak. Gucci and Prada be having me dripping like I was a sick man. What did you think? I'm trying to make it to this and be these inside my Cuban love, man, why do it stay? Hold me back in the thousand and sauce, I know you don't you niggas not street. I can hide niggas that's 13 and nothing but 2 and 10, that's all for free. Rules, expensive, we're serving the fiends. Stop popping the beans. Writing these people, I'm stealing my dreams. I like talking those things inside of my lean. Easy been working, passing your moves, you got them bitches twerking. We see the cutting, that nigga be broken. Can't see in the trackers, we closing the curtain. Don't know what I'm feeling. Seem like the niggas who doubted me most is always in my midst. You know I ain't tripping. Drop me a check and that won't be away. My transaction pending. Full of pandemic. My niggas was clicking some rentals. Can't wait to hit Johnny to fuck up my dinner. We tips in the 40, a fuck up his mental. You put him on TV like he Jimmy Kimmel. My niggas some rest. Talk like a wrist. My niggas in his dust. It's gets off the sizzle. You know we ain't racing. They nigga like this. Let's run off the way. Now my niggas get little. But don't let me get started. The flow on the rocks got me looking retarded. Niggas be hating, that really be garbage. Over that famous, some niggas depart. I never care. Trying to get big and see green everywhere. My niggas on board, why them niggas be scared? I'm finna rock and get harder this year, but I'm on my way up. See, I'm there.
Já conhece o novo Samsung Galaxy S21 Fan Edition 5G, feito para os fãs do Epic, com um design icónico da família S21 em 4 novas cores. É mais compacto, mas sem abdicar dos melhores materiais. E uma bateria que dura e dura. Durante quanto tempo? Durante todo o dia até ao seguinte, para que o Epic não pare. Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G, feito para o Epic de cada dia. E tu, que tipo de fã és? Sabe mais em Samsung.com.
I'ma eat her ass like a cheesecake. Now we back to my place, bust on her face with my nut like a toothpaste. Straight up in his crib like a summer on Mac to his face. But nigga had a lift to go. Price on his head, hella ice like a sled, make a nigga freeze up like Frozone. Put the chrome to a nigga dome, now his ass stuck like he need a couple chromosomes. I'm at your door like a ding dong, I say like ping pong. And your bitch say my name like a Mike Jones, I'ma eat her ass like some neck bones. Chop a ring like a telephone, shoot him in the stomach, you a nigga belly gone. See a rap like a sing-along, and I get a play on their phone like a ringtone. Take it to the crib and I put the whole team on. I just got some cash on the flip shit. Watch it be sometimes 50 playing for the Patriots. First, never second, I'm a god in the head. When I die, I'm a legend on my Drake shit. Pull up on your block with the banana clip. If a nigga lacking, I'ma turn him to banana split. I just chop shit. Body up in peace, pick it up with some chopstick. Pull up to the scene with a fat bitch, so you know I'm finna eat her ass like some catfish. I pull her like skirt. Peep out the window, then I had to pop shit. Like how we kill shit. We gon' fuck around, pick a bitch like a bass hit. I can turn your bitch. Mike Big Shorty in the head, fuck around and rate right shit. I don't know. Like a mouse on a bed. If a nigga try to run, shoot him in the side, make him through the sticky leg. If you like, then you dead. Face shots, put your eyeballs back to your head. Niggas think it's sweet to lose blood shit. Now we not responding to nobody like his phone did. I ain't even going for his head. Chest shot leaking, happen like he's standing for the plan. Got a bad bitch laying in my bed. Watch SpongeBob, watch